In this tutorial, I will show you how to monetize your YouTube channel. And if this video does help you out today, then please consider dropping down below the video and consider leaving a like on the video and also consider subscribing to the channel. With that being said, let's jump straight into the tutorial. So you can see I'm currently on youtube.com and there's actually a couple of things that you need to do in order to get monetized and start making money from your videos. So to find out what to do, what you're going to want to do first is come across to your YouTube studio. To do this, just click on your profile icon up in the top right hand corner and then click onto YouTube Studio. So what you're going to want to do from here is if you go to the left and you look at this menu, you're going to want to click onto the Earn tab. So you'll see the option here that says Earn, and just bear in mind that at the time of filming, YouTube monetization is not unfortunately available in all countries, so make sure you check your country to see if you would be eligible to become a YouTube partner. So this is where you can come to actually see how to get monetized, and if you actually scroll down, you can learn a bit more about the different ways that you can make money from your channel. And if you actually scroll down, you're going to see the requirements to actually get monetized. So you can see it says, how do I join? Now you've got requirements to apply first of all. So you actually need to have 1,000 subscribers and one of the following, which is either 4,000 watch hours in the past 365 days or 10 million public shorts views in the last 90 days. So with this second option, you don't need to have them both filled. You can either choose to do long form content and go for the watch hours, or you can focus mainly on shorts, and if you get 10 million views in 90 days, then you've got the chance to get monetized. Now what you can do, you can actually click the button here which says to email me, and what YouTube is going to do is as soon as you've hit these requirements, they're going to send you an email to say you're eligible to be monetized. There's a couple of things you need to do in addition to this. So once that's done, you want to complete the basics. So what you want to do is set up two-step verification on your channel. And this is just an extra security measure, which is actually a very good thing because it does protect your YouTube channel from, of course, unauthorized access. And another thing you need to do is make sure you follow the community guidelines, and if you do have any active community guideline strikes, then unfortunately you will not be able to apply for monetization at that time. But just to note that community guideline strikes do not stay on your channel forever, they do have an expiry, so make sure if you do get any that you make sure they do expire before you go ahead and apply to get monetized. So once that's done, what's going to happen when you apply for monetization, your channel is going to get reviewed by YouTube to see if it does meet the criteria and YouTube's channel monetization policy. So if you want to learn more about that, you can see down here there's a box and you can actually click on this link to be taken to the monetization policies. And you can also click down here to learn more about the application process and exactly how they're going to go ahead and review your channel. So I hope this video helped you out today, and if it did, as I say, I'd really appreciate it if you were to drop a like down below the video, and make sure you do consider subscribing to the channel. And with that being said, I will see you guys in the next tutorial.